What's up, guys? We back with another one. Sorry I haven't been posted. I usually post. I've been super busy now that I'm taking on full paint jobs. It takes a lot more time and it's just kind of hard to grab a camera and start recording, but I'm gonna try my best to get a lot more footage in. But today we have a two-door Tahoe coming from Hobbs, New Mexico. It's gonna be getting in a panoramic G6 sunroof in, put in with some black suede. I already did a panoramic on the homies Tahoe with the red suede, but it had a sunroof, regular sunroof in the front, Webasto. We're gonna be doing just a G6 panoramic. Still gotta see exactly where he wants it, but waiting on him from Hobbs, New Mexico. Like I said, sorry I've been posting usually what I post during the week, but if you want to hit on my Instagram and my Facebook, I post there all the time of all the work that I do. Hit it up, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll get back to it. Let's get it. There she is. Two-door Tahoe. Alright guys, we're gonna be starting on this two-door Tahoe. This thing is badass on some 28's. My style right there. G6 panoramic. Customer brought it. This thing is dusty. We're gonna clean it up, blow it off, so we can get the shade back on. He says it works. He hasn't seen it work, so hopefully this thing does work. Worst case, don't work. He wants the body work and the bracket installed, so that way if he does find another one, that hopefully this one does work, he can still bolt it in place. Here's the headliner, big ass headliner. Alright, we're gonna start removing everything on the inside. Got my son helping me. Let's get it. Alright guys, we got the bracket installed. We did the body work on it. We are going to leave it primer because he's going to get the truck repainted, but I do go ahead and put primer and then throw some guide coat over it, a little bit more black to blend in. But we're ready to put the panoramic in. We did leave the front, so he's going to want to do a regular sunroof in the front, just how I did the other black OBS. So it's going to look good. Here's a quick look inside right before we put the panoramic in. As you can see, we left this open for the regular sunroof later down the road. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, the install's done. On the ends, on the top part, check it out. We got the button here. We're gonna start the headliner work. Check it out. Clean. We are going to start the headliner, cut it out, rip the old fabric off, and put some black suede.